a guitar and long black hair. No luck with picking up, 'cause the girls in town didn't care. He had a pig farm, a crazy family, a wicked dog who'd kill an attack. He was a rock star in his fantasy, wanted to leave and never come back. Don't stop keeping your dreams alive. No, you can't give up on a miracle. Come start, leave all your fears behind. No, we ain't got time for the cynical. Don't give up on a miracle. Chuck stuck, feeling all fucked up. His life sucked, but nobody cared. He made plans, gonna take a chance to get the hell out of there. He sold the big farm, ditched the family, and used the cash on studio time. He blew them sock stuff, got a record deal, went on the road and never came back. Don't stop keeping your dreams alive. No, you can't give up on a miracle. Come start, leave all your fears behind. No, we ain't got time for the cynical. Don't give up on a miracle. Don't stop keeping your dreams alive. No, you can't give up on a miracle. Come start, leave all your fears behind. No, we ain't got time for the cynical. Don't stop keeping your dreams alive. No, you can't give up on a miracle. Come start, leave all your fears behind. No, we ain't got time for the cynical. Don't stop keeping your dreams alive. No, you can't give up on a miracle. Come start, leave all your fears behind. No, we ain't got time for the cynical. Don't give up on a miracle. Yes, a girl, she is a boy, it's very complicated. Within a world, inside a void, depressed and captivated. Why? He is born to live a lie. Sometimes he wished that she could die, but she will never be denied. He is a girl, she's not a boy, she feels so liberated. She will unfurl, he made a choice, he must be terminated. And now it's time to say goodbye. No more living in a lie, but left his parents wondering why. One summer night she dropped the bomb. One summer night the fight was on and on. On the way to find a destination, leaving hell to get to Neverland. Stepping out of prison cell into the fires of hell. Just ain't right, this endless fight. so many years she's waited, but in the world she'd be a boy that's set aside and hated. Why? And all her friends had said goodbye, running out of tears to cry, cry. And I was wondering why. One summer night it all went wrong. One summer night the fight goes on and on the way to find her destination, leaving hell to get to Neverland, stepping out of prison town into the fires of hell. Just ain't right, this endless fight, fell into a world of isolation, never made it to the promised land. Stepping there to all alone, it turned her heart to stone. Footsteps in the sand, all the way to Shadowland. One summer night it all went wrong. One summer night the fight goes on and on the way to find her destination, leaving hell to get to Neverland, stepping out of prison town into the fires of hell. Just ain't right, this endless fight, on the way to find her destination, leaving hell to get to Neverland, stepping out of prison town into the fires of hell. Just ain't right, this endless fight, fell into a world of isolation, never made it to the promised land, never felt so all alone, it turned her heart to stone. Remember, my friend, we're all lost in Shadowland. Life is a lesson and the answers in the end. We all have a good time, or at least we will pretend. Life is a lesson some of us will never learn. Time and time again they will return. We came to earth to shine a light and teach the world how they can set things right. But all we learned to shine a light into the fishbowl of this made-up life. We're at the college of the universe. Come and make that bubble burst. Remember, life is a lesson and the answers in the end. We all have a good time, or at least we will pretend. Life is a lesson some of us will never learn. Time and time again they will return. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. No one gets driver and a roadie who fulfilled my every need. I should have been a husband, one you can depend upon, but I'm helpless like a baby. Now the clouds have blocked my sun. A burned down bridge, no way to return. Embrace this gift of lessons to learn, but tell me why is this happening to me? Why did my world disappear? I can't let go. No, I can't let go. But I must let go. Should have been an angel, but a demon haunts inside. Took away my dreams and wishes when he turned off the light. I should have been a rock star who would shine on every stage, but I'm like the water tiger who is locked inside a cage. They think I got it covered, but inside I go insane. Now my head became a prison, and my best friend is a cane. Tell me why is this happening to me? Why did my world disappear? I can't let go. No, I can't let go. But I must let go. I should have been your anchor, but I'm lost and all alone. But I hope you're having patience, 'cause one day I'm coming home.